नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Production and Operation Management. Now today's session topic is mass production, which is one of the type of production system. Now these are the topics which I have covered. What is production system, types of production system, what is mass production, and advantages and disadvantages of mass production. Production system may be defined as the methods, procedures or arrangements which includes all functions required to accumulate the input, process or reprocess the input and deliver the markable outputs. Now the types of production system, I have discussed two production system in our previous videos, and in this I am discussing about mass production. What is mass production? Mass means in large amount, okay, large scale you can say. So this is the continuous output of uniform standardized products for a mass market which offers a regular continuous demand. The goods are relatively low priced and are produced by the use of machines and semi-skilled and unskilled labor. So a subtype of mass production is flow production, and this makes use of machines and labor in a sequence called a production line. Cars of the mass market are produced by materials and parts moving along an assembly line until eventually a finished car rolls off at the end. So this is in terms of mass production. Okay. So in this the flow production can take many of the features of mass production and apply them to the manufacture of relatively high cost goods like cars, washing machines and TV sets. And these are the examples of mass productions like cars, chocolate bars and electronic goods. So this is in a very large scale, okay, so we can say is a mass production. Advantages of mass production. The benefits of mass production includes labor costs are usually lower and the materials can be purchased in large quantities, so they are often cheaper. Large number of goods are produced. And the disadvantages are machinery is of course very expensive to buy, so production lines are very expensive to set up. Workers are not very motivated since their work is very repetitive. So it's not very flexible as the production line is difficult to adapt. If one part of the line breaks, the whole production process will have to stop until it is repaired. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of mass production. This is all about mass production, and this is a question for the practice. Write the advantages and disadvantages of mass production. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.